Hi, in this video, we will be talking about SET Law 2018, also known as SLAT 2018, Symbiosis Law Admission Test. SLAT 2018 is conducted by Symbiosis International University for their UG admission for Fire Integrated BA LLB program and BBA LLB program. This exam would be conducted on 5th May 2018 and one aspiring for fire law program has to register on the website set-test.org, that is settest.org. Now let's identify why a student, or should I say law aspirant, should prepare for SLAT 2018. The first biggest reason is the competition. Yes, Symbiosis International University, one among the biggest brand where the students fight for 780 seats in the 3 law school located at Pune, Noida and Hyderabad. Basically for 2 major programs, that is BA LLB and BBA LLB. Not to mention Symbiosis Law School Pune, Noida and Hyderabad. All 3 campus and all the programs comes under Tier 1 and Tier 2 college. One another reason for choosing Symbiosis over many other schools is the placements. Obviously, Symbiosis International Universities, all the 3 programs offers a good placement in law firms as well as different corporates. For example, SLS Pune offers a placement of around 8.9 lakhs per annum as an average placement, and highest goes up to 15 lakhs per annum. Obviously, good reason to select Symbiosis and prepare for SLAT 2018. Now, let's discuss about different programs affiliated to SLAT 2018. The 3 major colleges, Symbiosis Law School Pune, Noida and Hyderabad, offers 2 programs each. Symbiosis Law School Pune offers BA LLB and BBA LLB honors at around 300 total seats. Similarly, the same 2 programs, that is BA LLB and BBA LLB, at Noida and Hyderabad campus offers around 240 seats each. That makes up to around total 780 seats in all the 3 campuses. Each and every college takes SLAT 2018 score. The basic eligibility to appear for SLAT 2018 is nothing but 45% in HSC or any equivalent exam. 40% for those candidates who belong to scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. Now, let us discuss about the exam pattern of SLAT 2018. For the first time, this particular exam is moving from paper-based to computer-based exam. Yes, it's online this year. This exam tests you on major 5 areas. The first, logical reasoning. Second, legal reasoning. Third, analytical reasoning. Fourth, reading comprehension. And fifth, general knowledge. Every section has 30 questions and each question has 1 mark. So every section have an equal weightage, which totally gives 150 questions and 150 marks. There are no negative marking and there are no sectional cutoff till the date. Now, let us discuss each and every section one by one. The first one, logical reasoning, which has 30 questions. To excel in this particular section, one must be good at verbal reasoning as well as verbal ability. If I recall last year's paper, there were questions based on cause and effects, statement and conclusion, statement and course of action, syllogisms, and also there were some miscellaneous questions which a student may have not seen or cannot be classified into 1 or 2 chapters. This section was slightly difficult, or should I say tough, last year. Now, talking about the second section, legal reasoning. Out of 30 questions, around 7 to 8 questions were purely based on facts and principle, 7 to 8 questions based on pure facts, and around 14 to 15 questions based on legal knowledge. It means question based on Contract Act, Criminal Act, legal terms and legal maxims. We would rate this particular section to be moderate to tough because the questions were a bit lengthy and confusing. Now, let us talk about the third section, which is nothing but your analytical reasoning. Majority of the law aspirants do not prepare for quantitative aptitude or mathematics, considering that it is not a part of SET Law or SLAT 2018. It wasn't even for SLAT 2017. However, this was a bit surprising section. if I talk about the 30 questions, 15 questions out of 30 were nothing but purely based on mathematical operators. Should I say question based on percentage, ratio, time, speed, distance, data interpretation, and nothing but numerical ability or numerical series. And rest 15 questions were purely based on analytical reasoning. It could be direction sense, blood relations, question based on coding, and some of the miscellaneous question. This section last year was most toughest section of all the 5. Yes, it brought a lot of surprises. Section 4, general knowledge. This particular section was balanced between static and current affairs. So 15 questions based on static GK and 15 on current affairs. In current affairs, topics included sports, awards, international important dates, international agreement and conflicts, as well as important dates for all the global organizations. It is definitely advised to all the students preparing for SLAT 2018 to read current affairs of at least last 1 year along with the static GK. Okay, talking about the last section, section number 5, reading comprehension. This particular section has 6 passages. 6 passages divided into 5 questions each. That makes up to 30 questions. This particular section last year was blessing in disguise. Clearly meant it was very easy. One student should have a good reading speed to attempt at least 3 to 4 passages. All 3 institutes accepting SLAT 2018 score will have a 2-stage admission process. The first aptitude test, that is SLAT 2018, and the second is written ability test, also known as VAT, and personal interview. 2 things students should take care while applying to any of the programs. First, application of SLAT 2018. Second, application for any institute or program. Both should be done separately. I mean, while applying for SLAT 2018, in the form you have 6 options to apply. 3 institutes and 2 courses for each and every institute. That makes 6 options. While filling up the form, you make sure you have to mark each and every option. Next thing, when I talk about payment, the payment for SLAT 2018 is different than applying for all programs. Each program would require 1000 rupees for the application. The student only filling SLAT 2018 form but have not applied to any of the programs may not get a call for the second round, which is nothing but VAT and PI. Once the results are out, you will not have much time to prepare for VAT and PI. I mean, as soon as the results are out, within 7 to 10 days, you will be called for your next round. So make sure as soon as you are done with the exam, please start preparation for VAT and PI because it consists of major weightage in your admission process. Please carry a valid ID proof of yours to the examination centers and try to reach at least an hour before the exam. Do not believe, I said do not believe on any rumors, and make sure you keep yourself updated from the official website I mentioned earlier. Make sure you follow all the important dates. The first one being the last date to apply for this exam and payment, 14th April 2018. The examination is on 5th May 2018. The result is expected on 14th May 2018. PI and VAT process would be around 23rd May to 2nd June 2018. Most of the institute affiliated to this particular examination will end their registration process, or should I say application process, 1 day before your result, that is 13th May 2018. Hope this video helps you to prepare for SLAT 2018, and if you find it informative, share it with your friends who are also preparing for the same exam. If you still have any queries or doubts, please comment below in the comment section. I wish you all the best for your preparations. Hope you rock the admission year 2018.